Hi everyone, so today we're going to look at if you know what the perimeter is and you know the length of two sides, how do you find out that length of the other side? So we're going to start with number 3. And we know the perimeter is 30 centimeters, so that means the distance all the way around this is 30 centimeters. And we want to know what is the length of this side called x. So if I were to add all the sides, I would say 8 plus 12 plus x equals 30. Oops, my 3 is going to be funny, is 30. Okay, so I know 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus x equals 30. So now I know that if the total distance around is 30, and I know that these two sides is 20, I can look and I can say 30 minus those two sides, 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So there's 10 left over. So that side is 10 centimeters. So this side right here is 10 centimeters. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one we see that the perimeter is 25 feet. And we know these 4 sides, and we want to know what is the length of this side that they're calling F. So I know that 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus S, or this side, is equal to 25. So I'm going to first add the sides that I know. So 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 4 plus 4 is 8, plus I still have that one side that I don't know, S, is equal to 25. And then 14 plus 8 is 22, plus S equals 25. So in order to find out the length of this one side, I have to take the length of all the sides, which is 25, and subtract the length of the sides, the 5 sides that I know, which is 22. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this one little side right here is just 3 feet. So just remember that when you're trying to find the length of the one side, you're going to add all the sides you know and subtract them from the total perimeter, and that will give you this one side that's left. So good luck today. Have fun with perimeter.